Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme GT Neo 3 to an Android device. You need to begin by finding and opening Play Store on both smartphones. Then you need to tap on the search bar, type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, tap on Open. Nextly, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Then select Send on Realme and Receive on an Android. After that, you need to select all of those type of dots and click on Send over here. This way you can choose all of your files and then send them. It will take a long time to do that now, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and click on Got It. As you can see over here, on an Android, you need to choose No Thanks and close this window. Now, finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by using this scanning icon on an Android, selecting while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can always just input this key over here instead and tap on Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!